Windows is pretty generous when it comes to customization. As a user, you have the freedom to personalize your system in a variety of ways, whether it is using widgets, changing your cursor's look, or modifying the aspect of your taskbar, menus, and other such things. You can customize your system's interface more to your liking. If you're looking to change the accents of your Windows 10 or 11 machine, then you might want to take a look at WinPaletter, a software solution that affords you much more freedom than what you'd get by default. Alter the look of your system by changing the color of your taskbar, start menu, specify a color for the lines, toggles, and buttons, and much more. Those who like to personalize their system's appearance will feel right at home here. With an interface as intuitive and straightforward as this one, there really isn't anything worth addressing when it comes to setting everything up. Boot up the program, and start customizing. For starters, you can switch between light and dark mode, toggle transparency, as well as modify the colors of your interface. You can begin by changing the title bar color. Active and inactive states can have different colors, so feel free to experiment. Where users can get very thorough with their customization is the accents section. You can modify the look of many elements, such as the start menu, taskbar, action center, as well as specify certain colors to appear while hovering over the start button. There's a lot of room for customization, and the color picker menu expands upon it. You can pick virtually any color you want through the color wheel and color grid, but you can also have the program fetch the color palette from an image of your choosing. In addition, you can also tweak the look of the Win32 UI elements. The functionality is rather limited here, owing to Microsoft's approach with their latest operating systems. If you're running Windows 10, you should also consider heading into the Logon UI screen menu, which allows one to customize the appearance of their machine's login screen. WinPaletter is a versatile and intuitive tool to get your Windows 10 or 11 machine to look more to your liking. For a first release, the software is very polished, and anyone can use it without worry. See you next video, and now some music.